Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be discussing as to why should you invest here in Satwa Lago by Satwa Group, which is located on the Kokapet-Sez main road, Kanpur, Neopolis, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see that this is the exact location of the project. Let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now we'll soon understand why this project is the best. First, let's understand the project. So it is constructed on 10 acres of land parcel featuring 5 towers with 2 basements, 3 podium ground and 46 floors, which includes your 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK. You see, Satwa Lago is a residential community by the re-owned Satwa Group, which is designed for people who want more than just an apartment. They want a perfect lifestyle. And because this project is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, which is one of India's fastest appreciating real estate destination, the project enjoys seamless connectivity to your financial district, Gachibowli, high-tech city and your other areas as well. And right from here, we'll understand what makes this project truly stand out. It is rare lake-facing location, which makes it even more perfect. Here's where the investment story becomes even stronger as to why should you invest here. Neopolis has rapidly become Hyderabad's most prestigious residential address, like I said. So this area is attracting global companies, multinational offices, luxury retail, 5-star hospitality and premium infrastructure, which creates demand from both home buyers and high-income tenants. Now, as land availability continues to shrink and luxury demand rises, projects by reputed developers like Satwa are expected to command significant long-term value. So this is not just any other simple apartment project. It's an opportunity to own a premium lakeview home here in this location. You see, Hyderabad's luxury real estate market over the coming decade is only continuing to increase. And that is why Satwa Lago sitting here between Neopolis is just the perfect choice. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about the project. For more details, pricing, brochure or site visit, go visit Housey's official website, which is www.housey.com, from where you can also easily download your e-brochure and the pricing sheets.